Hello friends! Today I'm showing you how to make delicious honey glazed ribs. The ribs are full of the bone tender. You can use this recipe on any type of ribs. You can put it on baby back ribs, pork spare ribs, and beef short ribs. They're absolutely delicious. Let's get started. Start by seasoning your ribs with salt and black pepper, then toss everything together. Once the ribs are well seasoned, we're going to heat up a pan over medium-high heat, then drizzle in some olive oil. As soon as the oil gets smoking hot, toss in the ribs. Sear the ribs on the skin side for 3 minutes, then turn them over and sear them on the other side for 3 minutes. We want the ribs to develop a golden brown sear, which is going to add so much flavor. Once seared, toss in a sliced onion, freshly cut up garlic and ginger. Cook everything together for about 1 minute. We want the onion, garlic, and ginger to get flavorful. And then we're going to add some honey. We're also going to add some soy sauce. Move the ribs around in the sauce and let them cook for about 2 minutes. Then we're going to add some rice wine vinegar, some chicken broth, red pepper flakes. You can use less if you don't like it spicy. Toss in some peppercorns and star anise. Mix everything together and make sure your oven has been heated to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Without covering the ribs, place it into the oven to bake for 1 hour. This is what the ribs look like when they come out of the oven. These will come out smelling so good. The sauce will be so sticky on the ribs. I served this with some sauteed rice and roasted broccoli on the side. The ribs are so soft and full of the bone tender. The honey glaze is so enjoyable with the ribs. If you guys would like to make this recipe, I'm gonna leave all ingredients and measurements together with direction for this recipe in the description box. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you soon. Bye!